Alright, go humanity, we did it. We got a new rover to the red planet, successfully landing for its mission. But how exactly did it get there? And what is its mission? Let's dive in together and see what it's about. NASA's 2020 Mars rover, the Perseverance, is tasked with seeking signs of ancient life and collecting samples of rock to bring back to Earth. It landed in a crater on Mars, where it's suspected that there's potential for ancient life. Studying this crater, if we're able to find some traces of this life, could tell us a lot about life on Earth, and how it developed so many millions of years ago. And as for the new rover's second mission, bringing back rock samples, it will be the first time that rock samples from another planet were ever taken back to Earth, scheduled to be delivered here in 2031. The crater that the rover landed in once contained a water delta, and so the rover will be inspecting samples for signs of ancient life, and the samples of rock from that crater that it brings home will also be inspected for the chemical signatures. Rocks and dirt taken in samples by the rover can also be used to investigate Mars's geological history, and thereby understand Earth's better. The rover is also the first step in preparation for any future human colonies on the red planet. One part of the rover's mission is to take carbon dioxide from the Martian atmosphere and try to create oxygen from it in preparation for future human colonization. The oxygen can also be used as gas for future Mars missions to fuel rockets and other supplies. It will also use new radar technology to scan for underground ice that could be used as a water source. Along with the rover was the Ingenuity helicopter, a new technology for safely landing on the planet, prepared for use in future missions. The rover and helicopter will stay on Mars, working diligently for the next decade, until the next mission by NASA, and also the ESA European Space Agency will send a new spacecraft to Mars to collect the samples and bring them back to Earth. And the mission's already been a success. The rover touched down successfully, and the search for life has begun. The rover has already sent back its first new pictures of the planet. One very unique and interesting thing about this rover, though, is that it will be the first to record sound on Mars, and the first time that we're able to hear what it's like on another planet. But NASA's not the only one going to Mars these days. The United Arab Emirates, UAE, also have a mission going to Mars, with just plans to orbit the planet, while the Chinese Space Agency has their own plans to land on Mars very soon. With any luck, this can trigger a peaceful space race for humans to get to Mars, working together rather than against each other this time. But either way, however it goes, it's a great step for humanity, and one that hopefully will continue into the future, to someday colonize a second planet and keep humanity moving out into the stars. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you learned something new. What do you think is the coolest mission for this Mars rover? Let me know in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and I hope to see you again next time.